Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make almond butter at home easily. It's basically rich in calcium, potassium, iron and magnesium protein. I am taking 3 cups of almond and frying in high flame and adding a little salt. Just roast in high flame and you can change it in medium. If you roast it in high flame, almond will be broken like this. This is a good roast for an almond butter. I am using almond butter for making in my home with this grinder. You can use it grinder for smooth almond butter. It make very easily and it give more tasty and smooth almond butter. You can no need to add any other vegetable oil or any other flavor. Within 10 minutes, you can make a smooth almond butter in Wetgrinder. See now, almond butter is ready. Now you can transfer to the bottle. It's a very super almond butter. You can prepare at home very easily. If you like this video, just press the thumbs up button and subscribe my channel to enable the notification to all to view all my updates. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.